Hey guys, it's Bats here. I wanted to go ahead and thank you for clicking on the video first off, and I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow a whole lot more, and then it also helps us bring more quality content to you guys, so I can stop using this green screen back here and bring you to the actual forum shops. Alright guys, off we go. Let's go ahead and see if we can actually find the whole hotel, because I wasn't too sure about finding the actual hotel. Hey, how's it going? Hi. Alright, this way I think. Yes, we want to go this way. Alright. So, not sure if you guys know, the MGM Grand signature is actually on the other side of the MGM Grand complex. This used to be the MGM Adventures Park, actually, and are you recording too?
I am recording.
Why are you recording? I'm recording.
You're recording.
No, if you record two things, it creates a vacuum.
That's we're having fun.
We're leaving that in. We're leaving that in the episode. All right. That's her playing back the recording of me, me recording her, recording me. That's what's happening.
My ass is like, I'm recording you, you're recording me, and we're recording together.
Right. We are indeed recording together. Seems
like
legit,
Flash.
right?
I feel like the Flash. I feel like these guys, Aggie. Just kidding.
Right. You know, this actually used to be a theme park here, right?
Really?
Yeah. Back in the early 2000s, before they tore it down to go ahead and build this, it used to be the MGM Grand Adventures theme park. And the thing about the theme park was it was supposed to be this like kind of pseudo Disneyland thing, because it was right after Disney opened the MGM studios over there, and they're a big park. But obviously Disney's park was twice the size. It was like 130 something acres. I want to say 136 acres. This was a little under 80 acres, so didn't really make much of a difference. So they tore a lot of it down to go ahead and make room for the pool.
Right.
And we'll show you the Grand Pool Complex pretty soon here too, actually. And then after that, they just kind of built the towers over here. A lot of them were condos too. It's actually pretty neat. All right. I am so bad at this whole selfie stick thing. So guys, I got a monopod. It's not like a real actual pod or anything. It's just a glorified selfie stick. So let me know if you actually like the angles here. If they're bad, I will quit doing them. I only got this one so I could shoot at the pool, because this actually has a waterproof case to it. So
It's pretty gnarly.
it really is. So if you like it, awesome. I'm going to keep using it. If not, it's just going to go back to Amazon. We won't use it anymore. It's up to you guys. So all right, and we are at the end of the moving walkways, so this should be taking us to the actual MGM Grand, where we're actually supposed to be.
Make it happen. Halfway
Right.
off the girl. Let's go.
All right, we are doing the spy cam thing right now, and we are at the Grand here in the Wolfgang Puck reservation. We were like 5 minutes late for the reservation, but you know, they're so professional over here, and they're so good with people, and they just let us go all the way through. It was awesome. So we'll be right back as soon as we get the starters and the drinks. Okay, so apparently they have J.A. Squumpy's hard cider in here. That's an in-house cider, farmhouse organic, good stuff. It's actually not too bad. It's pretty smooth. Yo, Harley, what you get, mate?
I got some martini, and it has like a bunch of tequila in it.
That is all the tequila. Oh, that's kind of smooth. It smells smooth though.
It does, right?
It really does. How's it? It's good.
Taste it.
All right.
It's really not that hard.
Oh, bottoms up.
I actually like that for hard.
Oh yeah. This actually is pretty good. I can get down with that.
Right? Like the fifth one in. Just kidding.
This actually might be a good beer that you like.
Is it yeasty?
Yeah.
It's not a yeasty?
Nah. Cider. Cider's different.
It's a little different. It didn't make my stomach grow like healthier. So
Right.
that's
Doesn't
weird.
have the same bubble to it. Yeah, it's a cider. It's mainly fruit based. It's kind of like wine, only it's brewed a little differently.
Huh.
It's kind of cool. Disclaimer: Ace of Vegas has no idea how wine works, so don't take that for granted. All right. Anyway, we'll be back when we get up on those wings. So cheers. These are amazing. Holy slag! Look at that. Look at how well they did these up.
It's all decorated and shit. Okay.
Look at them. All right. Let's go ahead and jam in it.
All you.
Oh yeah. No, I normally I'd cut them up and all that, but you know what? Solved that. Oh, that glaze though.
Is it good?
Oh, jump on that. Get in there. God damn it, Wolfgang.
Oh my god.
All right. Oh, and it's so crispy too. It's like, you know, it's got all the sauce on there, but it's not soggy. That's the amazing thing. It's not soggy. That's brilliant. All right. So guys, I did not know what a flat iron steak was before, but good lord, it's grilled so nicely. I even got mine medium. It's still really, really tender. Like melts in your mouth, man. It's great. But good stuff. You know, they grill it so nicely. It's just so high quality. I love it. I think it's well worth it. Get in that, it's got a nice little red wine sort of reduction on it. And then you get in with some of that blue cheese butter. Just the flavor, man. I can't even. I'm just gonna cut the video right now, guys. I'm out.